Hey guys, welcome back to the channel RP Let's Explore. In today's video session, we're gonna see about string manipulation methods, which is commonly used in the UIPath. Here I have listed few of the string manipulation method like length, replace, substring, trim, and these are the fews. So let's start one by one. I'll make you understand how it's used in the UIPath. So go to the studio and click on the process. So you can give any name to your process and click on the create. So this is our UiPath Studio. So now let's start to build a workflow so that you will understand how it's work. So here I am taking one sequence. Now the first is length function. Length is mostly used for to check how much characters, how much letters is available in particular string. So I'll take one example. Here I am taking the assign activity. Here I am creating one variable by using Control K. We can give as a input string, and here I am giving a value to the variable like Kalyani. So now I want to check the length of this particular string, so that I'll take here message box and we'll check in the variable panel. Oh yeah, okay. So now here press the control space, input string dot length, sorry, length. Now I'll run the workflow and we'll check its work or not. Perfect. Now it's showing the length of the particular string 7. See here KA 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it's perfectly working. So the length is, we can measure the length of any string by using this length function. So we'll move to the next manipulation method, that is replace. So here I'm giving one more example of replace. In the double quotes I'm giving today's date. Today is a 2nd December, forward, sorry, backward back uh, slash 12 2020. Now in this particular string I want to replace this backward slash with the hyphen. So that what I'll do, you can pass the same variable dot replace, and in the comma you can see here the syntax like function string dot replace old value as a string. Here we have to pass the old value which we want to replace. Now we have to replace the backward slash with the hyphen. Hyphen is a new value. So here in the double quotes I am passing the old value, that is backward slash, and a new value is hyphen. So I am passing the hyphen in the double quotes. Perfect. Now we'll see how it's work or not. It's work. You are able to see the backward slash is replaced by the hyphen. So this is the very simple way to replace anything, any value with any new value. Now we move to the next string manipulation method, that is substring. To use the substring, we need to know the index of, here I'm giving one example. For example, Kalyani. So I want to use extract, I want to use a substring function. So this is the string, and I want to extract a particular these three letters KAL. So the index of K is 0 and length length is 3, because I want to extract only three letters KAL. Okay, so we'll see how it's work. Now here I'm again assigning this value, and I'm using the substring function. You need to pass the same variable dot substring, and here you are able to see the syntax like string dot substring start index as an integer. Here we already know the index of this k is 0. So here I'm passing the 0. Then we need to know the length, how much characters we need to fetch. So KAL, total 3 length. So here comma and length as an integer. So 3 is the integer value. So now we'll see is work or not. Run file. So yeah, perfect. It's working. You are able to see it's perfectly working. It's able to extract only three letters of this particular string KAL. Now, if you want to extract KALYA till A, then you can change the length as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay, and the index will be same because the K having 0 index. This K having 0, A is a 1, 2, 3. Likewise, it's working. So here I'm just replacing 3 instead of 5. Now let's see. Perfect. It's extract KALYA means the 5 letters. In this way, the substring is useful in the RPA solution. And now we'll move to the next string manipulation method, which is trim. Trim is used for removing the front and the back space in a particular string. So let's see how it's work. Now here I'm putting the space front and back, and I'm using the trim function input string dot trim. We'll check. Perfect. Here it's able to remove the space front and the end. We can remove any kind of like, and you can put here any sentence having the space like it's UIPath view, and here also space is included already. Okay, see, it's help us to remove the front and back end spaces of the string. Now we'll move to the next string manipulation method is ToLower. ToLower is mostly used for to convert the string into the lowercase. We'll take, I'll explain through the example. Uh, Here I'm passing one value. Now the complete string in the capital format. I want to convert it into the lowercase. So here I'm using to lower this function and we'll check it's able to convert or not. Yeah, it's done. You are able to see the complete string which was in the capital format. It's now completely into the lower format, lowercase. Now we'll move to the next method, that is ToUpper. ToUpper, it help us to, it works exactly to the lower. Now we'll pass a particular value. Here I'm including the small or upper, both letters. Let's see how it's work. Here you need to put two lower, sorry, two upper. Let's run this workflow. Perfect. Here you are able to see the complete string is converted into the uppercase. Here I passed some of the small cases letters and some of the uppercases, but it's completely converted into the uppercase only. So in this way, the uppercase, I mean ToUpper function is used in the UiPath. We'll move to the next string manipulation method is remove. So remove is basically used to remove uh, a particular letters from the string. To remove anything, we just need to know the index of that particular string and the length as well. So again here I am passing one string. Now here you know the index of this u is index, u having the index is 0, and I want to remove this particular UiPath string. So we just check the length of this one. Length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll check how it's work. To remove, in bracket, you are able to see here the syntax. Function string dot remove start index as an integer. So here I'm passing the integer 0, comma, count as an integer. So count, here we have to remove the UiPath string and having the length is 6. So here I'm passing the 6. Now let's see how it's work. See, is amazing tool here. Remove is help us to remove a particular string from the this sentence. So you can remove anything, just we need to know the index of the particular string and the length which you want to remove from the sentence. So in this way, we saw the few of these string manipulation methods in the UiPath. In the next video session, we'll see the remaining of manipulation method. So guys, thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep sharing. Happy automation.